Hi, I'm Joe from Fish Ranger, and today I'm going to show you how to identify when the wind speed offshore is going to be stronger than onshore, and all you need to know is the wind angle. So if we look at this diagram, on this side we've got land and on this side we've got water. Now we're going to imagine two forecast points, one right there on the shoreline and one here a little bit out from shore. Now the only thing we need to understand before I really get into this demonstration is that when wind travels over land, it encounters a lot more friction from trees, hills and things, and that slows down the surface wind layer. When wind travels over water, the surface is a lot smoother, so the surface wind layer can travel a lot faster, up to twice as fast as it does on land. So when is that going to be the case? Well, when wind is blowing roughly parallel to the shoreline with a slight offshore component, we're going to get a situation where the wind speed just a short distance out from shore is a lot faster. And the reason for that is because wind has had a long time to pick up speed before it gets to that point. So if we imagine this line going back, so the wind's travelling slow over the land, slow, it gets to the shoreline, starts picking up speed, starts getting faster and faster and faster. And it gets to this point and it can be travelling up to twice as fast as it is over here at the shore. And that can be a relatively short distance out. Similarly from the other direction, so when wind's travelling roughly parallel with a slight offshore component, we're going to have the same situation. Now it helps to look at a couple of other cases just so we understand the whole picture. So when wind is travelling offshore, it's travelling over land, it's going slow, gets here and it will start to speed up, but it's a slow process. In this case, the wind will start getting faster, but it's going to take a long time to happen. So you'll notice only a slight increase in wind speed as you move away from shoreline. And the other case is when wind's travelling onshore. So in this situation, the wind has been travelling fast over the ocean, gets to the shore, and then it will start to slow down. But you won't notice any difference in wind speed between a forecast point there on the shore and one out here, because the wind hasn't had a chance to slow down yet. So I hope I've been able to demonstrate from those examples how the wind speed is affected by wind angle. Now, the only way to really tell is to check using a marine forecast tool, because there are other factors that can come into play. But this is a good general rule to apply. So I hope you've enjoyed that demonstration. I'm Joe, it's been great talking to you. I'll see you again soon.